Imagine having hundreds of cells where you need to add commas between words. And doing it manually would take hours. What if I told you it takes just 30 seconds? Today, we're solving this problem with a powerful Excel tool that most people don't even know exists. VBA macros. And don't worry, you don't need to be a programmer. Let's say you have thousands of entries like this. Your goal? Transform them into this. Using find and replace? Too clunky. Doing it manually? Forget about it. But using a VBA macro? This is where automation becomes your superpower. VBA, or Visual Basic for Applications, is Excel's built-in automation engine. It lets you execute complex tasks with a single click. Perfect for large datasets, repetitive work, or batch processing that standard formulas simply can't handle. Here's how we get started. First, unlock the Developer tab. Go to File and then Options and click Customize ribbon, then check the Developer box. Now you see it. Click Developer, then click Visual Basic. This opens the VBA editor, your command center. Next, insert a new module. Click Insert and then Module. This is where our automation code lives. Copy and paste this code into your module. Let me break down what's happening here. The macro starts by selecting your range of cells. Then it loops through each cell one by one. For any cell that contains text, it removes extra spaces and replaces all remaining spaces with a comma and a space. So New York City becomes New York City. Simple, elegant, powerful. This single line does all the heavy lifting. Trim removes extra spaces. Replace swap spaces for commas. That's automation in action. Now here's the exciting part. Click the Run button. A dialog box appears asking you to select your range. Let's say we have 500 cells with product names, locations, or any text data. Select the cells you want to transform. Click OK, and watch what happens. In seconds, every single entry is formatted perfectly. What would have taken hours of manual work is done instantly. That's the power of automation. Before you run any macro, remember this. Always save a backup of your original data. The macro modifies your cells directly. There's no undo button in some cases. Here's a pro tip. You can customize this code for different needs. Want to use semicolons instead of commas? Change the comma to a semicolon in the code. Need to process only certain rows? Add conditions. The possibilities are endless once you understand the basics. And if the Developer tab isn't visible, just enable it in Options. It takes 10 seconds. So there you have it. VBA macros transform hours of work into seconds. Whether you're handling 100 cells or 10,000, this solution scales instantly. This is automation that actually works. Like subscribe and master Excel the smart way. Your future self will thank you.